In this video, I want to share how you can build any business online faster and easier, even if it's a traditional brick and mortar storefront type of business. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been marketing online almost since the start of the internet, and I've helped people all over the world make money on the internet. If you want to build a business online, stick with me. This video is for you. Hey, before we get going, if you are not already a subscriber, please click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post multiple new videos every week, and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So to build a business online, you really only need some tools and some training. It's actually simple to do, and it's cost effective too. Even if you do have a storefront type of business, you should be online. First, you need some type of website. And rather than pay someone to build one for you, do it yourself. It's simple, keeps you in control, and it saves you time and money. Here's how to do it. This is my recommended funnel builder. It's the Home Business Academy funnel builder. You can build landing pages, sales pages, membership sites, and more. It's easy to use. No experience is necessary. Quick and easy. It comes with dozens of templates that are easy to customize. Let me just give you a quick look at those. These are just some of the many templates that we have, and they're all easy to change around, make them look exactly the way you want them. Dozens of them. You've probably heard of the Big Name Funnel Builder. It costs several $100s a month. This one is far easier to use, and it costs less too. It's only $25. And then you need the right training. This is the Home Business Academy Traffic and Conversions Academy. And it's the best way I know of to learn how to generate more leads for any business and convert more leads into more sales. And look at all the various categories of training we have, both free and paid marketing strategies. Just on YouTube training alone, we have over 20 training videos. It's powerful stuff. We also do daily live masterminds on Zoom, and we have a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Now, all of our tools and training are affiliate offers. You can get paid to use them and make money too. In fact, the Home Business Academy is my #1 recommended income stream. And if you choose to promote it, we have terrific training for that too. Plus, I will be your personal mentor and coach. And you can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day. And this pays out long-term passive or recurring income too. I will show you how you can build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day, even if you've never done anything like this before. So whether you are looking for the tools and training, the income opportunity, or both, I highly recommend the Home Business Academy. To learn more, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.